we interrupt your broadcast. The National Weather Service has issued a big snowstorm warning coming for Toronto and Bradford, West Virginia, Kentucky, Nashville, Buffalo, New York, Boston, Pittsburgh, and Detroit. If you're in the snowstorm, stay indoors, as this would be 30 centimeters of snow or less. This is very dangerous. There might be ice coming from your location, and roads might be super slippery. Visibility may be low to see and drive. White fog may be occurred to Alabama and Bradford and Chicago will now have a calm winter storm warning. Hudson in Texas will have a small storm. And if you're here, this is very dangerous. Sorry guys. This is super extra dangerous. So you should not go outside. The Roblox News Channel. Stay tuned.